Stuck on the first step of your home buying journey? Thinking about a home loan but feel overwhelmed by the application process? You're not alone. Securing a mortgage can seem daunting, but at Poppy Bank, it's a straightforward and supported process. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to apply for a home loan at Poppy Bank so you can move from dreaming to doing. The first step is getting your documents in order. You'll need financial records like W-2s, pay stubs, and tax returns to verify your income. You'll also need bank statements and investment account information to show your assets. And, of course, your credit history will play a big role, so it's a good idea to check your credit report beforehand. Having these ready will make the application much smoother. Once your paperwork is organized, it's time to connect with a Poppy Bank loan officer. You can do this by visiting a branch, calling their loan servicing number, or even by filling out a contact form on their website. They'll walk you through the various loan options Poppy Bank offers, from conventional and FHA to VA and jumbo loans, helping you find the one that best fits your financial situation. This is a great opportunity to ask questions and get personalized advice. After you've discussed your options, you'll complete the official loan application. This can often be done online through their secure portal. You'll provide all the information you've gathered, from your employment history to your financial details. Your loan officer will then review your application and documents to determine your eligibility and get you a pre-approval letter. Pre-approval is a key milestone. It shows sellers that you're a serious buyer and gives you a clear budget for your home search. From there, you'll work with your real estate agent to find your perfect home, and your Poppy Bank loan officer will be with you every step of the way, guiding you through the underwriting process and all the way to closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.